Windows 11 Insiders, this one's for you. Microsoft finally heard your complaints. You can now make the Start menu smaller and move the taskbar to any side of the screen. Let's check it out. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Microsoft is rolling out some of the most requested customization features for Windows 11. Here's everything new that's coming to the experimental channel. First up, the Start menu. If you hate how big and bloated it's become, you can now choose between small and large sizes directly in the settings. Your choice will stay the same across all your displays. Even better, you now get section toggles. You can turn on or off pinned apps, recommended section, and all apps. Want a clean Start menu with only your pinned apps? Just switch off the rest. You can also hide file recommendations and even hide your name and profile picture for privacy when screen sharing or streaming. Taskbar freedom. But the biggest win? You can finally place your taskbar on any edge of the screen. Top, bottom, left, or right. When it's on the sides, you can choose top aligned or centered icons. On the top or bottom, you get left or centered alignment. This is a massive customization boost for power users. These features are rolling out to Windows Insiders in the experimental channel right now. What do you think? Are you excited for the smaller Start menu and movable taskbar? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this, smash the like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more Windows updates.